Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the MX Master 2S wireless mobile mouse from Logitech. There is a photo of what the wireless mouse is supposed to look like. This is part of the very famous MX Master series from Logitech. There's some extra information here. We will go through them very quickly. Okay. Over here it's written that it's unifying and easy switch, connect multiple devices via Bluetooth or unifying receiver, easily switch between 3 devices. Fast rechargeable battery, holds power up to 70 days on a full charge. That's great, and it's compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS 10.14 and so on. Let's open this box and take a look at the mouse. First up we have a couple of documents. This seems to be a safety information guide. And this is, I think, is the user manual for this particular device. These are all very important documents. You should read them at least once. Then there is this cable. This is almost a meter-long cable with a micro USB port on one side. There, I'll show you, give it a closer look. There. There's a micro USB port on one side and USB-A on the other. So this is basically to switch between wireless to wired mouse functionality. So when you want to use it as a wired mouse, you just have to connect it, or you can use, or this can be used to charge this device as well. Now let's take a look at the mouse. This is what the MX Master's 2S wireless mouse is supposed to look like. It has a nice matte gray finish to it. There is a design element over here as well, like this anti-skid design, which is very nice. It's pretty big for a mouse. This is larger than my palm area, which is great. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. That's great. There is a scroll button over here and on the side as well, along with your move up and down buttons right over here. And this is a DPI control button over here as well. Let me remove this strip and show you what it looks like. So this is the power on off button, and there, the moment I switch it on, you'll notice that this particular light is blinking. So basically this is the switcher, so you just have to click this button to switch between different devices if this mouse is connected to more than one device. I'm going to switch it off now. Anything else I'm missing? No, this seems to be it. On the box over here you have one other component. So this, there you can see, this is the nano transmitter or dongle, Bluetooth dongle for this particular mouse. The idea is that you connect it to a laptop or a PC and get instant access to the mouse. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the MX Master 2S wireless mobile mouse from Logitech. Thank you for watching.